First, you need 2 colors of any yarn. I took blue and brown cotton yarn, a crochet hook. I used 2 5mm. Also, you need scissors, a needle, and some fiberfill. We start crocheting from the trunk. First round, make a magic ring and chain 1. Start 6 single crochets in the magic ring. Pull the tail and close the ring. Round 2. Repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 3 times. Round 3 to 9 single crochets back loop only. From round 4 to 6, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Totally 3 rounds. Round 7, repeat 2 single crochets and 1 increase 3 times. Round 8, repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times. Round 9, repeat 2 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times. And the last round 9th, repeat 3 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times. Now make a slip stitch, chain 1. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Now we have to crochet a string for Christmas tree decoration. Leave a small tail for joining to the body of the Christmas tree and just chain 40. In the end, leave a small tail, too. Now we have to crochet the body of the Christmas tree. Leave a small tail again, make a magic ring and chain 1. Make 6 single crochets in the magic ring. Pull the tail and close the ring. Round 2, make 6 increases back loop only. From the second round to the last, we crochet only the back loops. Round 3 and for 12 single crochets. Now we need to attach the string to the body of the tree. Just thread the tails of the string through the magic ring and tie them to the Christmas tree tails. Fifth round, repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times. Sixth and 7th rounds, 18 single crochets. 8th round, repeat 2 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times. 9th and 10th rounds, 24 single crochets. In the 11th round, repeat 3 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times. Round 12, 30 single crochets. Round 13, 30 single crochets with the trunk. For the main part, work in the back loops only below. For the trunk, work through both loops. Don't forget to stuff the toy with fiberfill before finishing the round. Make the last single crochet in the same stitch of the trunk where you made the slip stitch. And the last round, 14th, 30 single crochets. Mail a slip stitch in the next stitch and chain 1. Cut the yarn, fasten off and hide it. Join the yarn to the second round and crochet front loop only. Chain 5 and make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Chain 5 again and make a single stitch in the next stitch. Repeat it till the end of the toy. Don't forget about the back loops of the last round. In the end, chain 1, cut the yarn, fasten off and hide it. Our little Christmas tree is ready. You can also decorate it with different beads to make it look even prettier. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a like and leave a comment. I'd love to read your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other tutorials. Bye bye.